The social side of RVing. Making friends on the move. Embarking on an RV adventure offers more than just the thrill of the open road and the beauty of nature's landscapes. It opens the door to a vibrant community of like-minded wanderers, adventurers, and storytellers. The social side of RVing is a rich tapestry woven with the threads of shared experiences, spontaneous campfire gatherings, and the mutual love for the freedom that this lifestyle affords. But how do you dive into this moving community, especially when each sunrise might greet you in a different zip code? Let's navigate the social waters of RVing, ensuring your journey is as rich in friendships as it is in experiences. Campground camaraderie. Your welcoming committee. The most straightforward place to start weaving your social web is within the campgrounds and RV parks themselves. These communal spaces are hotspots for social interaction, offering a natural setting for introductions. Many RV parks organize social events, from potlucks and BBQs to group hikes and themed nights. Participating in these gatherings isn't just about filling your social calendar. It's about embedding yourself in the fabric of the RV community, sharing stories, tips, and perhaps even planning future convoy trips. Digital nomads meet digital means. In today's connected world, the internet is a goldmine for fostering social connections in the RV sphere. Platforms like RVillage, Meetup, and even specific Facebook groups cater to RV enthusiasts looking to share experiences, arrange meetups, or seek advice. These digital communities are invaluable for planning your travels with a social twist, finding fellow RVers with shared interests, or even organizing impromptu gatherings in your current locale. Shared interests. A pathway to connection. RVing isn't just a mode of travel. It's a lifestyle that often intersects with a plethora of outdoor activities. Whether your passion lies in hiking, birdwatching, mountain biking, or kayaking, these interests are gateways to meeting fellow RVers. Engaging in local activities or joining guided tours not only enriches your RV experience, but also positions you within a community of enthusiasts who share your passions. It's in these shared adventures that friendships are forged, often leading to lasting connections that traverse the country's highways. The art of the campfire conversation. Never underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned campfire to bring people together. The campfire is the heart of the RV community, a place where stories are shared, laughter echoes, and friendships are kindled. Be open to inviting your campground neighbors for an evening of marshmallow roasting and story swapping. Such gatherings are the essence of the RV lifestyle, embodying the spirit of community and shared humanity. Volunteering. Giving back while connecting. Many RVers find that volunteering offers a dual reward: the satisfaction of giving back and the opportunity to meet like-minded individuals. Whether it's participating in conservation projects, offering your skills at local events, or engaging in campground maintenance initiatives, volunteering is a powerful way to embed yourself within the RV community. These experiences not only enrich your travel narrative, but also deepen your connections within the RV world, grounding your adventures in shared purpose and camaraderie. RV rallies and events, the ultimate social gathering. For those truly looking to immerse themselves in the RV community, attending RV rallies and events is a must. These gatherings, ranging from small, niche meetups to large-scale national conventions, are the epitome of RV social life. They offer a plethora of workshops, seminars, and social events designed to educate, entertain, and connect RVers from all walks of life. Attending these events can catapult your social network within the RVing world, providing you with a wealth of resources, friends, and memories. Neighborly etiquette. The foundation of friendship. As you navigate the social scene of RVing, remember that the foundation of any community is respect and kindness. Simple acts of neighborly etiquette, such as respecting quiet hours, keeping your site tidy, and being mindful of shared spaces, set the stage for positive social interactions. A friendly wave, an offer to help with a stubborn awning, or sharing your morning coffee can open the door to meaningful connections. Embracing the ebb and flow of RV friendships. The transient nature of RVing means that friendships might be as fluid as your travel itinerary. Embracing this ebb and flow is key to enjoying the social side of RVing. Some connections might last a single evening, filled with laughter and shared stories, while others may evolve into lifelong friendships, with rendezvous planned across the country. The beauty of RVing is that each day offers the potential for new connections, rekindling old ones, and weaving a vast network of friends who share the wanderlust spirit. The heartbeat of the road, the social side of RVing, is as diverse and vibrant as the landscapes that unfold before you on your travels. It's a world brimming with potential connections, shared experiences, and the unspoken bond of the open road. By engaging with the community, both in person and digitally, participating in shared activities, and embracing the communal spirit of the RV lifestyle, you enrich your journey with the most precious of all travel souvenirs: friendship. So, as you set your sights on the next horizon, remember that the true magic of RVing lies not just in the places you'll discover, but in the people who share the path. Here's to the friendships forged in the glow of campfires, under the vast canopy of stars, bound by the shared love for the open road.